Kubor baman kesni, awan lam shipi da unang yalam.
Chief Minister Konrad Kesangma ulale kynduh bat kakong Bartina Lyngdoh kawai kakanthei kabomyu iki khmat lani kabamat la komisi bynta bandai aimen semika halol ka jingpynkhreh jongka yaga Ph.D haka subject English na ka Martin Luther Christian University na kalyang jong Konrad ul aimen sem yaka bat ula yarap bro bansiu na ka bynta ka jingpynkhreh jongka ula ketbok eka hadu bakana pendap yaga jingpuli jongka yaga Ph.D Nakalyang jongga kalapan pau yaga jing namarba ka Martin Luther University kadai ka private university ka jingsiu ka babon bat bakamdon ka kam ka babyang bat man ka singi ka haplet keleng ban pendap na ka benta khon jongka kalakar pa di chief minister banirap lam yaka
Till I've been able to only publish this paper on this part of my PhD. So what I want from you to assist me in whichever way possible is that ever since lockdown, because before I worked in Assam, but then ever since lockdown, and unfortunately the job which I am working, it is a project work in Assam. So because of they cannot recover the project work, so we were given a notification that we should look for another job. Okay, so because of that reason, I lost my job. But
financial support?
Yes, of course I need financial support because I'm doing my PhD in English from Martin Luther.
Okay.
So Martin Luther is a private university, it's not a government. So expenditure is more, and then also I have problem with employment. Every day I used to run around taking my son. So means just to go around offices and all looking if there's any opportunity for me. If in whichever way possible, as a minister, please help me.
I'll find out. Okay. We'll do our best. Okay?
Yeah, please, sir.
Do you have any contact number?
I have, sir.
Can you give it to my team? You just take the contact number down.
Okay. Yes, sir.
And then I'll work out something. And one thing for sure, let me tell you that your course that you're doing in Martin Luther, I will pay for it fully. You don't have to pay for your fees. Okay? I will clear all of that from my side.
I haven't paid, sir. Single paisa also I haven't paid. Because
I'll
the fellowship which I got also, no, sir, sometimes 2-3 months it doesn't come, and if it comes also, I have to fulfill all my economical needs.
Yeah,
because I am also an orphan. So ever since I was a child, somebody just support me 100 rupees, 500. I just collect those, and with those money only I grew up.
It's very inspiring what you have done, and I'm very touched. And I'll assure you that I'll help you for myself. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Don't worry. I think your baby is there, so you take care. Somebody will call you today or tomorrow itself. Okay?
Yes, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Thanks so much, sir.
Banyo iki kubor baman kesni, sumhawan subscribe yaka channel unang yalam news. Kumle